In today's video, we are going to talk about apps that pay you to simply watch videos. Now, this is an easy way to make you some cash. However, it's not going to explode your wallet or anything. So if you hang around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you another method where we can explode your wallet. We're going to get right into the video, but before we do me a favor. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, ring the bell. That way you don't miss any of the videos that has to do with making money with apps, affiliate marketing, cool stuff like that.
Just do it.
Okay, I think I've narrowed this down to 6 of the top apps that's good for not only watching videos and making money, but that's the easiest to use. Also, the apps vary from if you could live in the United States to Africa. So do me a favor, this helps me so much if you put in the comments where you're from. Just like I have, you're gonna find at least 2 of these apps. Wherever you live, you're gonna be able to use it. And it helps me narrow it down and help you. And the very first app that you can use to make money by watching videos is mypoints.com. This is a great way where you can earn points. They have a bunch of stuff, like you can do surveys and stuff on here. And on top of that, they have videos and stuff you can watch. You just click on watch. The only thing is it's mostly for US and Canada. You can use it on the app on your phone or your computer. But the cool thing is not only can you turn it into cash, PayPal, you actually can use it on airlines as well. So there's a lot of rewards that you could do along with watching videos on mypoints.com. Number 2 is inboxdollars.com. The cool thing about this is it's actually rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau. For real. And you can have playlists. You can watch playlists and let them play in the background. You don't even really have to watch them and you can make money. You even get a $5 bonus for signing up, but the threshold is actually $30. But after that, then the threshold goes to $10. Not that bad. Number 3 is apptrailers. This can also be for Apple or Android. And it's really, really cool because you get paid to watch small clips from movies, music videos, and it's from like TMZ, some really cool places. I really like this one. You simply just download the app, which is available for Apple or Android, and it will pay you with PayPal or tons of gift cards if you choose a gift card from a bunch of retailers. This app is totally legit and pays you to watch videos. Try it out. Number 4 is slidejob. You do have to go to Android to be able to use this one, at least right now. And it is a great way to watch videos and get paid. Now, you're probably wondering why I have a blog pulled up, because I was doing some research on it. And basically what slidejob does is on your phone, the minute it unlocks, you can slide left or you can slide right. And if you want to watch the ad or the video up, you simply watch it, or you can choose not to. But I was doing some research, and if you also use these 3 right here, they work good with it too. So I usually wouldn't pull up someone else's blog, but this is frugalforless.com, and it's pretty cool. And if you wanted to know and learn more about slidejob, then you might want to go to this because it's a pretty good blog. That's why I had it pulled up. I just wanted to show you. So go to Google Play and go get it. Number 5 is called cointiply.
I think I said that right.
Okay, this one I know the least about because I'm not doing the whole Bitcoin and all that stuff yet. But a friend of mine uses this and he loves it. So he told me that I should add it. The only bad thing is it's another one of those that's just for Android. But it does pay in Bitcoin and coins and all of that. And it has a feature where you can watch videos and make money. So, cointiply, check it out. Number 6 is swagbucks.com. When it comes to opportunities to make money online, you actually could use Swagbucks for a bunch of different things. And it's worldwide. However, when it comes to the feature for watching videos, it is kind of limited. But just to know that is limited, but you can use it for everything else worldwide. It also pays in PayPal. There's a couple other different ones you could choose, like Walmart, Amazon, cards. And it has a $5 threshold. So once you reach $5, then you can have your money. And it's available on Apple or Android. Swagbucks. All right, guys, if you like those, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. But let me tell you, those are some fun ways just to earn some extra money on the side. But I'm going to tell it like it is, kind of girl. And it's really just a little bit of money in your pocket. If you wanted to earn passive income, maybe you hate your 9 to 5, maybe you want to start a new career, or you simply want to learn something different, or maybe you were like me and I just wanted to be able to stay at home and work on my computer and be with my daughter. If you want to do what I do, you really need to check out the first link in the bio, because as long as you are willing to do the work, it can help you do what you want and live life on your terms. If you have any questions, just put them down in the comments and I will get back with you. But in the meantime, go ahead and watch the next video up, because if you liked this one, I think you're going to like that one. See you on the next one.